Hi everyone, my name is Dipankar and I'm a developer advocate at Qlik. Welcome to the Hello World series. Today we are going to talk about Enigma Js. Let's get started. Enigma Js is an open source library developed by Qlik R&D. It is essentially the backend that helps you communicate with the Qlik's associative engine. You can use it to either build your own client or Node.js service. So what are some of the tasks you can do using Enigma Js? The Enigma Js library can be used as an SDK or to do crude, that is create, read, update and delete operations on apps and on app entities. Some examples of using Enigma can be dealing with Hypercube data, getting an app model for Nebula.js, or listing out fields and variables. To use Enigma JS, it is good to be familiar with JavaScript, promises, and WebSocket protocols. Enigma JS also implements the methods of Qlik Engine JSON API, so some familiarity with referencing the API would be beneficial. To get started with Enigma, install Enigma JS and a WebSocket library using the command npm i-s enigma.js ws. Our developer portal also has some great beginner level tutorials to help you out. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know what you think about this video. You can also follow us on Twitter at Qlik Developer to get the latest updates.